Good morning all of you. Today we will discuss about the common factors and the concept of co-prime numbers. In my previous video, I have already explained the factors and the multiples. Now if we have to find out the common factor between two numbers like 20 and 28, then first we will find out the factors of each number. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And the factors of 28 are 1, 4, 7 and 28. Now we will see what are the common factors between these two numbers. 1 as a common factor and 4 is also a common factor. So what are the common factor between these two numbers? Common factors are 1 and 4. And if we have to find out the common factor between 3 numbers, 4 numbers or 5 numbers, the process will be same. We will find out the factors of each number, then we will see what are the common factors between them. Okay. So in that concept, we can see that what are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are the numbers like 16 and 25 which have no common factor other than 1. Means they have only one common factor, that is 1. So as you can see, the prime number comes in the name of co-prime number. It doesn't mean that the number should be the prime numbers. Number can be either prime or composite. But a pair of a number which have one common factor, one as a common factor, are said to be co-prime numbers. Like first we will find out the factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And the factors of 25. 1, 5 and 25. So what is the common factor between them? The common factor is only 1. So these two numbers are not a prime number, but in pair they are said to be co-prime number because they have no common factor other than 1. Understood what are co-prime numbers? Now we can start the exercise 3.5, 3.4. Now in first question we have to find out the common factor between the two given numbers. We will find out the factors of the given two numbers 35 and 50. What are the factors of 35? 1, 5, 7 and 35. What are the factors of 50? That is 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So what are the common factors? The common factors are 1 and 5. 1 always be a common factor because 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, so in this method, by this method we can find out the common factors of the given number. If 3 numbers are given as given in question number 2, 5, 15 and 25. First we will find out the factors of 5, then factors of 15 and then factors of 25. 1 and 5, 1, 3, 5, 15, 1, 5 and 25. So what are the common factors? The common factors are 1 and 5. This is 1 and 5. Okay. Now we have to find out the common multiples. As you know that the multiples are endless. So how can we find out all the common multiples? For that, you have to see this question. First we will find out the first common multiple between the given numbers. So for that we will write down the multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Then we will write the multiples of 8, 16 and 24. We have got our first common multiple 24 here. So now see how many common multiples you have to write. You have to write 3 common multiples. So first you have got here, the first 3 common multiples will be 24, 48 and 72. You write down the multiples of 24 up to 3, up to 4, up to 5, whatever has been asked in the question. Okay. In this question, in third question, they are asking the 3 common multiples. So we will write the 3 multiples of, first 3 multiples of 24. If they are asking 5, then you write 5. If they are asking 10, then you write 10. Okay. I'll come to the fourth question. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiple of 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Then first we will write down the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Then we will write down the multiples of 4. Here we have got our first common multiple 12. So we have to write down all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiple. So means we have to write down the multiples of 12. These are 24, 100 means up to 96. Okay. Now come to the next question. Which of the following numbers are co-prime numbers? We have to choose the pair of co-prime numbers from the given numbers. And 35. So first we will find out the factors of 18. 1, 2, 9 and 18. Now we will find out the factors of 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now we will find out the common factor between them. 1 is a common factor between them. If two numbers have only common factor 1, then they are the pair of co-prime numbers. These are the co-prime numbers. Okay. We can see one more pair here, 216 and 215. These are two consecutive numbers, 215 and 216, and two consecutive numbers are always a pair of co-prime numbers. Understood? So this is also a co-prime number. Rest of the questions you can do yourself if you have understood. Now come to the next question, sixth question. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which number will that number be always divisible? A number is divisible by 5 and 12, then by what other number then that number will always be divisible? That number will be the product of these two given numbers. What is the product of these two numbers? Given numbers, that is 5 into 12, 60. If a number is divisible by 5 and 12, then that number will be divisible by 60 also. Okay. If a number is divisible by 12, then by what other numbers will that be divisible? That is our next question. If a number is divisible by 12, then by what other numbers it will be divisible? So these are the factors of 12, and the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1 is a factor of every number and that is divisible by 12, already given in the question. So by what other number it will be divisible? By 2, 3, 4 and 6. By these numbers that number will be always divisible. So you do this exercise in your copy. Then we will meet in next video. Goodbye all of you.